Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an Ulta haul and also some things from Target and some things from Mario Badescu. So I'm just going to show you what I got and do some swatches for you. Oh, and if you like this stuff on my face, I did a full face of Maybelline. So if that's up, I'll link it below. But it probably won't be, because I'm probably going to put this up first. So, first thing in the bag, I'm going to pick something random. Is this. This is a Real Techniques 2 Miracle Mini Eraser Sponges, and it was on sale for $2.97. And I thought this was cool because I've seen some people using some little mini sponges for their under eye, and I thought it'd be nice. And these are actually really soft. Really soft. They're only $2.97 for 2. So I was like, why not? All of their like holiday stuff was on sale. So, and since this is out, I'll go ahead and show you the other one that I got. This one. This is the Miracle Sculpting Sponge, and this one is shaped really weird. This one was also $2.97 for one, and it's shaped very weirdly. So it's like flat, but then like pointy, but then like half of the pointy side is like flat. You can see that? I don't know. And it says it's for dewy highlight and contour, and it says you can use it damp or dry. So I'll have to try that out. Soup's excited. And then this may or may not be on my eyebrows right now. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in Deep Brown. And I mean, it gave me a brow, and this is actually new from Maybelline, so excited to keep trying that out. Then, the most exciting thing that I bought from Ulta was this. This is the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow, and I also filmed a video with this on my eyeballs, so I'll link that. And I got the shade Smoldering Satin. And it's a doe foot applicator, and it's beautiful, so beautiful. Got it. And I've swatched this so many times I've probably used up like half of it already. Then next is this guy. This is the Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Highlighter in Radiant Light. And if you watched any of my videos, you know that the other one of this in Peach Lights is like my favorite. So this one is like more white. And I did swatch this and I wasn't really impressed. It's kind of like powdery. I don't know. I haven't put it on my face yet, so you know what? I'm gonna put it on my face right now. I don't know. I'll have to try it out more. Then the last thing from Ulta, is this Maybelline Fit Me blush in Berry. And this is just like a really dark, it's just a really dark berry tone. And, you know, it's a blush. And that is also on my face right now. And it blends, it goes on really pigmented, but it blends really well. So then on to Target. I only got 2 things from Target, so this will be quick. So, the first thing is this Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's a loose finishing powder, and I got the shade Fair Claire. And it's just a loose powder. I have it on my face right now, and I don't know my thoughts on it yet. But it's like, it feels thicker than like a regular translucent powder. So, I'll have to try it out more. Then, this guy is the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. And this, when I first touched it, amazed me because it's literally the softest thing you will ever touch in your whole life. And it's just, look at that. It's beautiful. And this would be really nice, I feel like, as an eyeshadow too. So I'll have to try it out that way. And then I ordered some things. I ordered many things from Mario Badescu, because everyone uses the like I think it's aloe vera spray, or something like that. And then I was gonna get it from Ulta when I went, but I went on the website and they had like, if you spend $35, you get free shipping, and this thing, you get this little bag and it comes with 3 different things in it. So we'll go through this first. So I got this for free. So it comes with the Flower and Tonic Mask, the Botanical Exfoliating Scrub, and the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. And I was just going to get a big size of this, but then I saw I got it for free, so now I get to try it out before I buy the full one. And then, so instead of the aloe one, I got this one. And this is the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. It smells like roses. That. Woo! It smells like bug spray. Do you smell it? It smells like bug spray. It definitely smells like roses and herbs, though. And it's cruelty-free and paraben-free. So, and it says it's a rejuvenating facial spray you won't want to be without. Use it to set makeup, soothe your skin in dehydrating conditions, or give your skin a quick boost anytime, anywhere. I should be a salesperson. I'm just saying. Okay, and then the next thing I got was this glycolic grapefruit cleansing lotion. And it comes with this weird top that's like a little squirt top thing. And it says to rejuvenate and refresh dull, congested skin. And it says it delivers enhanced exfoliation while cleansing the skin surface. So, seems like what I need for my congested pores. And then the last thing I got was this eye makeup remover cream. And I just recently bought a cleansing oil because I've learned that it's a like more gentle way to clean your skin. And this is like, oh, it's really weird. It's like a, feels like, what's that stuff you put on your lips? Like, what is that lip balm called?
Burt's Bees?
No, like the jar one.
The egg?
No, the jar.
Oh.
Like Carm Max. What's the other one?
Not Vaseline.
Vaseline.
Oh yeah, Vaseline.
It's Vaseline. It like feels like Vaseline, so I don't know. I'll try it out. And then with every purchase, you get 3 samples. Oh, and also you can go on the website and you can fill out like a questionnaire on your skin, and then it gives you like your skin profile and it lists all the products that you need for your skin. And then they will send you a sample of each product for $2.95. So like for $2.95 I got like 6 samples, I think, but I haven't gotten them yet. And then you get 3 samples when you purchase something. So I got the vitamin C serum, the special cleansing lotion O, and the whitening mask. So the vitamin C serum I've heard is really good for acne scars, which I need. And then the special cleansing lotion O is for acne on the back, chest, and shoulders, which I also need. And then the whitening mask is for radiance and discoloration. So I don't know how it whitens your skin, but I'm going to try them all out. So that is it for this haul. If you like hauls, comment down below and tell me, and I'll keep doing them because I like to spend money and I like to spend it on makeup. And if I spend it on makeup, I might as well film it and post a video on it. So subscribe to my channel, and I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
3 videos in a day. You're a champion.